If you'd like to see how I'm going to completely transform these two charging blocks for an iPad and a Galaxy tablet into these lovely, beautiful, blingy ones, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some rhinestone and pearl embellishments to these two little charger boxes. One of these goes to my daughter's iPad. The other one goes to a Samsung Galaxy tablet. And they have been wanting me to add some little sparkle and bling to them for a while now. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out. For my glue, I'm going to use this UV resin and see if I can go ahead and get the pieces that I'll be using, which will be these various pieces like this, a few gems, resin planners, just to add a little sparkle and jazz to their chargers. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm just going to take a little bit of sandpaper just to rough it up a little bit. You don't have to do this. I think you should be fine, but I just wanted to make sure it was like not so smooth. Now I'm just going to take some Dollar Tree alcohol just to wipe off the areas that may have a little dust left behind from the sandpaper. I'm going to use this wax pickup tool, and I'm just trying to see the best way I want to lay on this resin planner. That's JJ from Coco Melon. My daughter is 3 years old and she absolutely loves Coco Melon. That's very popular. If you have children, you may have heard of them before. So instantly it's locked on and it's ready to go. So I'm basically going to just add a little bit of UV resin section by section. That way things don't start to slide and I can just kind of take my time and just hit it with the light. Instantly it is locked. Now I'm moving on. This area around where the USB cord it goes, I had to be extra careful. So just make sure you don't use too much. You don't want it to slide and get in that port, or you could just leave this area blank altogether. It's completely up to you. And then I'm just going to pop a couple more of these little pearls on and rhinestones, put it back in, and it'll be set to go. And I'm just going to keep moving. And then when I'm done with the whole entire little charging block, I'll just let it stay under the UV resin lamp just to have additional time just to cure even more. But when I say after about 90 seconds, it dries and it's just locked on immediately. I love this stuff. It cuts time not in half, but it's like you snap your finger and it's locked on. You can use it instantly right away. If you were to use, for example, let's say some E6000 or some liquid fusion, you would have to wait at least 24 hours before it's fully cured, before you can like really touch it without something sliding around or getting messed up. Now I will say, if you use this and whatever you're doing is sliding, like look at that Coco Melon resin planner charm. That's what it is, a resin planner charm. It's sliding a little bit. So if you put the resin on, and whatever you use, it has like it's slided out of place, and you add it under that lamp, it will be locked on, but it'll be lopsided. So that's something you have to think about as well. So I'm almost finished with this. This probably took me no more than 15 minutes each charging block, and I just add this big gem on the back side of it, and I'll just reveal them both to you at the end of this video. And then after this one, I went ahead and I started my daughter's iPad charging block. It's made slightly different, but I was able to fit this little planner charm on here and just went ahead and locked it on quickly with the UV resin, and I'm moving and grooving. Like, this is so simple. This is not something that's very hard to do. You can be a beginner crafter and figure this out. All you need is the same little lamp that you use at the nail salon, or if you do your own gel nails, or if you do your own nails, or if you don't do your nails, you have to have one of the LED UV lamps to cure this UV resin, and you're good to go. A couple other projects, just to name a few, just so you're wondering, what else can you use this wonderful UV resin and this lamp on? Well, I have made crock charms. I have made, I've customized cell phone cases with this. It works a charm that way. What else? Oh, I've also used it to add like some really big chunky bling to a shot glass, because the bigger pieces of bling, I've also used it to add some studs, spikes to a shot glass. You can search through my videos of custom bling cups and shot glasses. I did it with E6000, but it took so long. I had to let the first roll dry because it just kept sliding when I did it with the spikes. Anywho, I'm almost finished with this, and UV resin is like a game changer because, like I said, it cuts the time down dramatically. This is almost finished. It's coming together very quickly. Like I said, this is a very simple DIY, and that's a wax pickup tool I'm using. I have them available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I also have rhinestones available as well. Almost finished, you guys. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little charging blocks. These are absolutely adorable. Adorable, adorable. So obviously the one on the right is for my toddler daughter. She's 3 and she just loves cocoa melon. Every little toddler loves cocoa melon, right? The one on the left is for my 9-year-old daughter. And she's just a girly girl and she just loves pink. She likes Barbie. She just likes cute stuff. Cute blingy stuff like me. They both like blingy things like me. But my oldest daughter, she loves pink. I love pink. These turned out really cute. Now, you don't have to use pearls on yours. You can go all rhinestones. You can add some chunky things, smaller things. There's a lot that you can do with this. It's very versatile. I really, really like how this turned out. So I did this like in the middle of the night. So when they woke up and saw these the next day on the table, their faces lit up. They were like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It came out so nice. So yeah, this is a cute little DIY that you can do. And it's very, very simple. But thanks you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired crock charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at @LifeIsAWholeVibe. Underscores between each word, and you can follow me at myroyal_radiance on Instagram as well. Bye bye.